I am extremely remorseful for the panic, fear, and various range of negative emotions that were experienced across the nation.
Carlee Russell giving a tearful apology in court today, pleading guilty after faking her own kidnapping. Thanks for joining us at 5. I'm Guy Rawlings.
And I'm Sherry Falk. You may remember Russell turned herself into the Hoover City Jail last July. She told police she lied about seeing a baby on the side of the interstate and faked her own abduction. The incident prompted a massive search and gained national attention. Today, she pleaded guilty to 2 misdemeanors in court.
WVTM 13's Lisa Crane was at that plea hearing. Today, she's live and local in Bessemer. No jail time for Russell, Lisa, huh?
No, the case is now closed, and it was not the ending the Hoover Police Chief or the State Attorney General's office had pushed for, but the judge handed down the sentence, saying he would not treat Carlee Russell any differently than any other first-time nonviolent offender.
To the misdemeanor offense of making a false police report, how do you plead?
Guilty.
For the first time since she faked her own abduction last summer, we heard Carlee Russell speak. After pleading guilty, she made an emotional plea for leniency in sentencing.
My sincerest apologies to the Hoover Police Department and every other law enforcement agency and personnel for the position that I put them in and for the resources used. I absolutely regret my decision and in hindsight wish that I had cried for help in a totally different manner.
In the end, Judge David Carpenter sentenced Carlee Russell to a total of a year in jail, but suspended that sentence so she'll be on probation instead. A disappointing end to this case for the State Attorney General's office, which stepped in to prosecute the case. They had hoped Russell would at least come clean with the details of what happened during the almost 48 hours she was missing.
Ms. Russell faked a kidnapping, duped the community, and contrived this situation. We still, Judge, don't know to this day where she was, how she got there, what she was doing, with whom she was doing it with.
Russell was also ordered to serve 100 hours of community service and pay restitution of right at $18,000 to the city of Hoover as compensation for the search efforts. Police Chief Nick Durzis was not impressed.
The $17,800, whatever the restitution, is not really close to really what the restitution should be. And bottom line, there should be consequences for your actions. It appears to me here the consequences are for the parents, because I would assume that they're the ones that are going to have to pay for this.
Chief Durzis says that his department actually spent closer to $50,000 in the search for Russell and the ongoing investigation. Russell must also, as part of her sentencing, must continue her mental health counseling. She'll be back before the judge in October for a review hearing. Live in Bessemer, Lisa Crane, WVTM 13.
Lisa, thanks. We've been following this story for you since last July. You can find a full timeline of the kidnapping hoax on the free WVTM 13 app. Once Russell heads back to court this year, we'll update you on air and online.